lona ngupart 2 wethu ka witness B. Ngenzeka into abanye sebeyifumene lapho beyifumene khona, but in case kukhona badepende nguma ngifuna ubamba amasheke ne. So uwitness B uze ezonyathelela phezulu kwenyawo zika witness A, kukuthi yena ubiza amagama, ukuthi yena uza nama recordings, uplay ama recordings, ubani utheni kubani. So just a quick one ne. Mosise bebanjiwe ke ngokupha kupart 1 wethu, babanjiwe ke ngoku opuletawu, bebanjwa le ngase Bramley kunama cartridges nani. Uba niyakhumbula uwitness A beke mention into yoba basebe omit certain things nakula ballistic report ne. Hayibo, uwitness A B uza namagama into yoba kubani lo muntu wa omitha, obeke omit izinto ezi. Igama lakhe ngumahotlo something like that. Phofu ke basheshe bafumane because ngoku warrant officer, but nje baya promotana because of izinto zabo abazenzayo, because kwaupule beke warrant officer but GP2 bese ke brigadier kwayena mahotlo lowo obeke i-ballistic expert beke warrant officer seke promotiwe as badeke thetha ke ngoku uwitness B. Witness B ucho ke uze ucho into ba izinto usixelela in details, but izinto what exactly is it ezizas omithwe ngubani, ebese omithwe nguye umahotlo ngowase Silverton ke usesazi nendawo i-laboratory leyo ba bokuye yase eSilverton, bazithatha bazise KZN, eyase KZN kuse amamzimtoti. Wacho ke noba I think uKader owase amamzimtoti lo obancedile ukuthi baze ke ngoba benze ingathi bayehluleka nokufumana ama serial numbers wezibhamu. Hayi KZN bazivumela yonke lento, so wamcimbi wacalanye sharp. But ke ngoku sebe abuyele ke ngoku after ixeshana ubuye uwitness A ubuyela kulo walapha eGauteng. Uba ayibona ithini into because phansi kwala report ubusinikeze yona ubuthetha, because the time amos bafika ithinto bafika kusokuthiwa bayolanda report, mhla befika kwathiwa bake bahlale phansi kukhona ama errors okumele babawalungise ya rectify. So lo mzuzu behleli wabe busy eshwankatha ne diarrhea unto evebhali uyena lowo ballistic expert lo lapha eGauteng nesitsho esithi ezizibhamu zinobungozi zilinkwana kuma cash in transit ama heist nani esitsho esithi. But xa sebebona le report kuthini ngakangufaka izinto ukuzimenshina kangaka kwa, so seke actor ingathi akayazi athi witness ayangawuzundenza njalo mina, because luckily xa benze apha ku bendingazanga ndoda bendihamba nabantu, so awuzuza neso story eso. Hayi ke wabona into bingathi zamfaka engxakini nani shapa hambe yathini. So that was, but basically sebeyazi ukuthi izintoni bebengazenzanga eGauteng okanye bebenza ngathi abakwazi kuzenza esesifunywe phi, including ama serial numbers wezibhamu. Fast forward Mosise sekebotshiwe ke ngokupule utawupulo waya wafumana ibail phansi koba kuthiwe une diabetes. Aziphethuba uwitness B into bakayobuza epha esiseleni kuba ithini indaba yabantu abane diabetes phansi kuba nami ndike ndasho ndithi mina abaninzi abafowethu Mosa babanjwayo bengazi diabetes, hayi aba diabetic. Athi axelelwe ke phejele uba hayi umcimbi uthini nje, uba hayi sinabo doctors sinabo thini, uba yini le menzi bayena makakhulule uphula buyakhulula asiyazi. But ke nice thing about that one, the very same pule wa contravene imithetho imigaqo nemithetho yebail yakhe, i-conditions bekiziphiwe. As a result wakuyabuyela and wabuya convictwa, uyagwetywa ugelwela ukungamameli oko umthetho wakhe imithetho le, because I think imithetho bokungamelanga into ba ehle senyuka akumelanga ukuthi moskiyachiwe kuthiwa ungathusani nama witness ungathi, so zikhona into abazenzile bokungamelanga azenze nokusehle senyuka oku. So uye wabanjwa back futhi for the very same case, but ngoke botshelwa nje ukuphula imithetho le wabuya gwinya usesejele. I think uthe 12 months if not mistaken. Besaqhuba ne case lena sharp ke kusiza kuzobotshwa okatiswa kunzima nje akukho lula, iyalwelwa mosinale docket ifunwa ngapha nangapha sharp. Uzobashwa ukatiso abafumani uLucky Molife ke ngoku. As a result usihlalele nama audios in between i-girlfriend partner kanto kakatiso Molife plus sekebotshiwe ukatiso Molife ke unaye plus i-sister kaLucky bezama ukwethusa ukonisho Lucky, because uthiwa uLucky still on the run andithi uba uLucky ungalinge nje usondele kwinto enokwenza neJoburg enokwenza neSoweto udlalele kude kakhulu, because bakufuna apha nemoto ukhiphe bayamthipa off ukhiphe wena ama tracker nani ungalinge nje usondele apha. As a result noba unxaniwe xa kenxaniwe athenga lonto akayithengayo ayiselele endlini, otherwise obhuti babiza obhuti okanye babiza omalume which is ngathi zi-cartel members ke zithe zizamgcina into ngathi ezinjalo. Uthi ngapha noba kungavela o girlfriend abamqhathayo ngathi makasondele bayazi bakuzabe kungamaphoyisa afuna ukumtrap angalinge asondele nje ngapha. And there's very same tip of ziyana uThapelo lo ngumntana kakatiso Molefe naye ba hey angalinge nje naye ake alibeke inyawo apho ubufuna uya kobomoli athwala iminqwazi athwala izibhodi nani so yakhona nje so zidlala into ezifana nezo kwezi phone ezi bafethu mele sibe careful because ikwazi ezi phone eziveze mosinyinsi zamane nibamba apha naphaya even ukati kuKhethi ke ngoku ne ziyaba khona apho kulinkwa khona uKhethi noKatiso uba bayazana ikuze kukhona ichats nezokuthi ukudalwa lo Khethi naye zama ukubulala abantu zonke zo hits ezo banazo recordings zazo ukuthi indaba kaKhethi bike yathetha ngathi uKhethi unama cases ayi18 ayike withdraw. So kunalo mikhubanyana engathi njalo so yonke lezi zinto bazifumana phi bazifumana nalapha ezifoni zabo na kwisite likaKatiso njengoba besithathile ifoni zabo nani nakhona bafumana ezaka ezabokatiso nani. So basically uwitness B took us up xa witness B ubiza amagama witness B unguDumisani Khumalo nje uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo ngoba uza nalo evidence engathi njalo. The other part kune player elitsha elivelayo okuyi district commissioner I think uNkwantshu uBrigadier Nkwantshu ngathi ngowela cala lase CDB ngela cala lase Vereeniging yiyo enye umuntu odlale irole oyine role player eserious up because lo muntu ngomnye umuntu oyaba nokubahurisa manje horisana no witness ANB ndoba dangerous lento abafuna ukuyenza as a result njoba uwitness B engumuntu osimama ene busy edlalana negame yabantu abangotata bazadilana nje ngumuntu ongutata they'll deal with him decisively because ingathi she's got balls. Lo Nkwantshu uvele ngathi baze bashirela nemoto because okay uqala kwakho ukuyiva ngalo Nkwantshu lo Nkwantshu ngomuntu owathi mhla kubanje uKatiso wabe uzasela uKatiso okudla nempahla ejele ukuthi bokunama strict restrictions ne ukuthi ngibani umuntu onelungelo lokuyobona uKatiso xa ebotshiwe kuthiwe friends or anybody else they are not allowed. I think if I remember correctly bokuzabazi investigators kube ngamagqwetha kaKatiso xa kumele ambone plus family members akayi family member ngobrigadier nguye bekesele uKatiso ntoni impahla umhlesiya ke wahamba ngemoto engena registration iBMW ukuthi imfakele amehlo kwa the fact oba kuthiwa kunama restrictions so bazama ukuba ba notify investigator into bayibo bokufike umuntu so lo Nkwantshu ikwa the very same person beke bafonela aba technician into ba phumani kule case le case inzima. Lo Nkwantshu is the very same person oseke bese efuna into ba makuthathwe lama documents asiwe sewefuna ngibani bafethu phansi kwabantu abamane bebuza ukuthi iphi provincial commissioner yethu eGauteng uThoni Mthombeni iphi provincial commissioner seke yafakwa naye kulento futhi igama lakhe liyavela futhi livezwe mos witness A kulamaphathi bebewahamba ngoku apha seliveza ngongathi le docket ekaKatiso including ama dockets la amanye bokumele ba asiwe kubani kulo Nkwantshu Brigadier Nkwantshu oyi district commissioner wafuna apha but kuthiwe xa kuvela nelikaKatiso wathi ayikaKatiso lingaziswa because yena uyiwitness kuloyo kwanye amenye uyisuspect kuleyo so akafuni nje balisondele mali ithathwe lisuke kubani mali isiwe kuPC uPC ngibani uprovincial commissioner uThomi Mthombeni walapha eGauteng kufuna ntoni ifuna lo docket athi uwitness B ayikho kuye idocket uyaxoka ke phofu ikhona idocket qanja akafuni ngedocket athi ayikho idocket ise DP into DPP something like that but kwanyanzelisa umuntu oba mayiye pha but babe bezixela into abazuya pha. What other parts kanene did I mention? It's basically nje about izinto ezinjalo into oba uwitness B went into details. Uwitness B nguye oze watsho wathi uzawafumana necall komnye umuntu wayeke wabanjwa noPule waphinde wazobanjwa noKatiso ebachazela into ba ihit yabo iplanwe njani uba izahamba njani ingathi kwayena lo muntu lo wayeobotshiwe wayeze offerishwe i50,000 naye but the main amount that they had been offered was about i350k for ukuthi ku-assassinate bani ku-assassinate i-investigators. So nje ininzi into elapha enobugulukudu baninzi man because we mentioned nalandaba ye cold case kaGininda uGininda naye wayeke wathumela abantu bakhe ba mabazolana ntoni bazolanda amadocket so umninzi nje umuntu bekefuna le docket. So on my last party I will just be telling you uba uye wabonga uGeneral Mkhwanazi xa in her closing ebonga even colleagues zakhe because uchilo wathi specifically say
ya wena ntombazane uyabona lokho phapha kwakho ukuthi ungaphila abantu i-bail sesukuphe i-30 sekuofarisha i-30,000 manje ke sizokudubula nge-AK47 because wena unamasende eswini. And then it went on to speak about family as to we've been following you and then for the 8 days, and then we know where is your home, we know who's your family members, we know where are they working. However, he stipulated to say, but they are not involved, but you are the one because you don't want to behave like a female, you behave like a man rather, so we'll deal with you like a man.
Hi, people. Go forward this voice note to happen. Today, Aska Lika, aba anywhere nje, Soweto nje, Joburg, ne? Loko yena kwa. La baka banka karabelo ba mtrapa gore o a gone gore atle. Aska be a leka ba story sa anything cause today they are so under pressure. Mo loreng ba tla ba fella today by tonight. Gore ba tsamaye ba court ka hosane ena se le jwalo ilo senya never sa bantse le reng e sharp so ba malume ba re ask ba a leka ba around then let's happen gore buleleng please do tshepo ka o kopa dula o bule mo leng o ka paka koloi and then just chill wherever you are ska a ke se ke reng kopa ska ba atomela ka mo ka o kopa ona go hae re thuse for today. And then I'll keep you updated. Late ke tla romela voice note engwe hape go jotse go tsala. And o ska stress ba busy ka yona. Then le eng hape. Yeah, close late today. Okay, what's the update? But so far we're getting good results because ba kopane bo mama ba ilukisa. So once wa hlaya o lotse ba go sentse ntwe go fela.
Before we proceed with the next one, Witness B, can you identify who was speaking in this voice note?
Yes, commissioners, that will be a label.
We got an instruction from the PC, and to collect all those dockets, including that docket of yours, and go give it to him. And the instructions were given to us as district commissioners. And if we are not handing in those dockets to him, we're gonna be facing the disciplinary steps. So I gave the case numbers to all the stations, to collect all the stations for me to go and give it to the PC. So that is the reason we want that docket.
Oh, Rick, for now,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a problem because I don't have the docket with me. You said DPP.
Okay. No, it's not a problem. You can just write me a report that the docket is at the DPP, and you send me that report on email. And my email is nkwashuam2@subs.gov.za, or you can send it to the district commissioner email at Citibank. Then we will, as we hand the other dockets, we will tell him that that one is at the DPP. It's not a problem.
All right, Rick, I'll do so.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mayor.
Bye.